India stands together completely and zero tolerance against any terrorism anywhere. And that it was an idea of the Honorable Prime Minister that an all-party delegation, as a matter of fact, I am from the opposition party, and we decided, all the parties across line agreed that there'll be 7 such delegations which will go all over the world. And it's an outreach program to tell the world what really happened in India and the entire attack, because we are a very peace-loving country, as you mentioned in your opening remarks. We have the legacy of the Mahatma Gandhi and the Honorable Nelson Mandela. So those are the values our countries have built upon, and the dream that they showed us. We'd like to take all their values and take both the countries forward. And the deep connect of faith, trust and growth that both the countries have together is something that, what you mentioned in your speech, be it the G20 that we hosted and now you're going to be hosting it. So India's truly looking forward to participating, contributing, as well as what we build together at the BRICS. So it's a long relationship, and the outreach program is, as we both countries grow together, we are looking for a continent which is absolutely of peace and harmony. And even when in 2014 the Honorable Prime Minister was voted and was his oath ceremony, we specifically, India invited all the neighbors to make sure that there is peace and harmony and growth together. And absolutely to our surprise, what happened in Pahalgam 5 weeks ago has been a very painful experience for us. We've always tried to have as much dialogue as possible, but this time it was something that was just not acceptable, and we are very grateful to your country and your President as well, because you all reached out to us in our challenging and most painful times. So we appreciate it, and we are very, very grateful. And we would like to continue this, and we hope that in this fight against terrorism, I think we work together to build and leave a legacy to our children of peace, harmony and a greener and a cleaner world. And we thought that we could come and put the facts with you, because there's a lot of media coverage as well, but we wanted you to be informed of what the reality is, how people, innocent people who were on vacation were shot. It's been a very painful experience for us, and some facts about what it is. So if with your permission of the Chair, I would request my 3 honorable colleagues, they would tell you what they suggest, and